Get into the 2024 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Silverado 1500 is the full-size pickup that blends a spacious, quiet cabin, technology that keeps you connected, smooth handling, and the toughness you need for all your projects. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: touchscreen infotainment system, lane departure warning, heated mirrors, 8-speed AT, tow hitch, tires, rear all-season, rear parking aid, cruise control, cloth seats. Everyone loves the strong, silent type. Make a date with a Silverado 1500.